Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Real niggas watch chillin' with an L.
Thank you for contacting the service desk. We're currently experiencing an issue with Wise device login. If you are on a Wise device and currently logged in and experiencing latency, do not restart. With you, that's just
I just don't know what else to do. I'm gonna reset my Wi-Fi box. So currently, let me explain to y'all what's going on. I'm supposed to go on site today to work, right? But I overslept. I'm logging in from home, and since my break is before I go in, I'm gonna just drive up there on my break again. But basically, I'm trying to get logged in here, and it's past my startup time. Like, beyond past my startup time. I was supposed to start at 12:05. But it's not even my fault this time because they're having issues. So the most I can do is reset my Wi-Fi box, and if that don't work, we might just have to go late today. I'm resetting my Wi-Fi thing right now. Let's do it, and that can take 12 minutes, so I don't know what else to tell them. Basically, I'm gonna be taking y'all on a kind of a work day in my life. I don't know what to call it, to be honest, but y'all are gonna spend the entire day with me. Matter of fact, y'all are gonna be my camera for a day, starting from this moment. So I think what I'm gonna do is just set a timer for 24 hours. Set a timer, and I'm gonna pause it whenever I can't film, so you know. But yeah, I'm starting the timer right now. Okay, so from here on out, y'all are gonna be in my camera for a day. But yeah, right now, like I said, I'm just trying to figure out this situation with these systems, and I wish I would hear something from my supervisor, because it's like every time they having problems, she want to come starting with me about it, like it's my fault. I can't help that y'all system is, I don't know, trash, but I'm doing the best I can. This gonna take about 10 more minutes, so I'm gonna just clean my room up, give me a little snack, and hopefully come back and hope it's finished, because I don't have the time for this all day. I don't. I'm supposed to get off early, and I'm not going in at 1 because then I'll have to get off at 9:30. So either it needs to fix itself, or I'm gonna fix it and just call out for the day. Hey y'all, so I am en route to my job. Like y'all seen earlier, I just did half my day at home, and now I'm finna go finish the rest of the day up there because we got a team meeting today, and Wednesday is our team meeting days, so I can't miss that. But yeah, I'm on the way to work now. I'll catch y'all when I get there. I have made it to work. I'm in the parking garage right now, but yeah, I made it to work, and I'm still early, so for the time being, oh my god, I put on too much lip gloss. For the time being, I'ma just eat my little muffins and drink some water, because I ate nothing today. I usually wait until I get off to eat for whatever reason. I mean, I really just don't be hungry during the day, but I'm gonna sit here and eat this for the time being. And I actually got a close parking spot today, y'all. Like, I'm so happy. Like, the entrance is right over there where I need to be, and I just walk straight in, go up the elevator, boom, I'm at my desk. But other than that, my hair looks so good. I think I should have put some water on it before I left, but it looked good for the most part. But yeah, I'm finna go in here, finish this shift. I get off at 8:30, so that's great. I mean, I only got like 3 hours left after this meeting, so I'm not complaining. But yeah, and I'm gonna also pack my bag up before I go in here, because I need to put my stuff in there. But yeah, that's what we doing. We at work now. Oh my god, y'all, I didn't even start the timer back. We sitting at 23 hours still, but let me see. I'm gonna run it down just a little bit, just because I've been talking. So yeah, but after work, I think I'm gonna probably just go get something to eat and go home, and that's really gonna be it for today. Yeah, I'll catch y'all when off work. Okay y'all, so I'm almost finished with my shift. I'm just in a little lobby thing right now. Why is that so light? I'm just in a little lobby thing right now. It's the last 30 minutes of my shift, so I usually just take my last 2:15s for the last 30 minutes because I'm not working. I need a breather. After this, I'm about to go get some food, and Probably go home and relax. I don't know. I know for sure. I mean, I need to eat what I have from yesterday, my leftovers, but I don't feel like warming it up. But then again, I don't feel like spending the money. But then again, I need to save money because I don't know. We'll see what happens when I get off. But yeah. Currently just waiting it out until I get off. It's 8:03 right now. Y'all, I have not been running the timer. I just started it back, but it's 8:03 and I'm tired. I had a long day, y'all. Like, this makes no sense. Get me out of here. I am home and I'm finna take a shower. And when I get out, I'm getting on the game with my cousin. Okay, y'all, so I'm out the shower and I'm finna get on the game. My face kind of ashy. I didn't put no Carmex or nothing on there. This is loud. I'm logged in here, y'all, and I can't get on because I'm guessing it's not enough storage on the PlayStation. I mean, I know it say I'm not signed in, but still. Then I got my new headphones on. I can't really hear how they sound, but I'm finna have to switch to my phone to play because, like, it keeps saying I ain't got enough storage on the PlayStation, so I'm gonna just have to play on my phone. I would play on my iPad, but I don't have the right dongle adapter thing to play on there, so yeah, I'm kind of pissed. Y'all, I finally got it to work. Look at how cute my little character is. And look, y'all, I can, yeah. Let me stop. But no, my Rick Room character is actually so cute. Like, thank you for watching MTV Cribs and welcome to my crib. When you first walk in, you got my little common area with a little bed over here. And this is where all the magic happens. You got a bright, nice overview of my full room. You know, it's a little, I like to think it's a nice little space in here. You know, just for me. You get a big fine man and just bring them up here and fuck. This is my little common area. That's where I just came from. And then you got me, you know what I'm saying, looking good, looking cute. I really be putting it on in this game. And if you go over here, you just got a little window. And then if we go up here, this is my little board, little study thing. If it was up to me, I'll put the bed up here, but that's just me though. Yeah, man, I mean, that's basically it for where I live. Thank y'all so much for coming to my crib. And until next time, thank y'all so much for watching. Ah! Yeah! Where the hell you at? Yeah! Right when I was finna text you and say your room look full, that's why I heard, yeah. Why did you back like that? Take a picture of you. Oh. Damn! Y'all, it is almost 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm still on the game. Like, I don't know. Probably about 2 for real. 2:30. I got work tomorrow. You the watch, nigga, goddamn. What? Y'all, we are in here in this church. Like, we in a nightclub. Hold on. It's 2 in the morning and I'm still on the game. I'm probably finna go to sleep in a minute. I'm on the vlog. I'm probably finna go to sleep in a minute. Who is texting me? So I'm gonna wrap this up and I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. Please. Good morning, y'all. It is 8:04 in the morning and I've been up since like 6 this morning, but I just been laying here on TikTok because I don't feel like getting up yet. I think I'm finna get up and probably go get some breakfast. This is not focusing. And I need to go to Walmart and probably to AutoZone. After that, I really don't know what I'm doing. Jesus. And I might just go back to sleep for a little bit till it's time for work. Okay, y'all, so it's a little bit later. After I washed the dishes, I just ended up cleaning the whole house. And I feel so much better now because everything is clean and nobody had to tell me to do it. Now I think I'm finna go to Walmart because I need some small stuff. And then I really need to go to the UPS store. I'm finna go do some stuff real quick. And hopefully come back way before it's time for me to start work today, because I do work today at 1 just from home. I'll catch y'all when I'm doing something. So I am car shopping. Well, I'm just looking at cars. I wouldn't say I'm shopping today, but I really just came to look. I'm inside of a Jeep Grand Cherokee right now. These things are high, but they look really good. Like, look at the infotainment system. Like, that's a big fat ass screen. Then it's push to start. But yeah, I'm just in some cars, kind of getting the feel for them. I mean, I'm looking at SUVs too, because I don't know, I want to move to an SUV, but it's like, it's just too big. And this one got a sunroof. I'm gonna keep looking. They got a good inventory out here, so I'm gonna keep y'all updated on that. This one is a 2021 Volkswagen Jetta R-Line, and I really like this. I never considered Volkswagen, but I like it. Then it got a sunroof, so I don't know. Then I like the interior. Like, it looks so good in here, y'all. I don't know. I'm really just exploring my options. And then this one got low miles. I'm just exploring my options because I really don't even know what brand I want anymore. I just know I want a new car. And I'm gonna get it soon. Now I'm inside of a Toyota Camry, and this one got like a moonroof, but I don't know, the Camrys are just really big. I don't think I'll need this much space. Now let me get y'all from up here for y'all overheat. This looks like an SUV, and it's really hot in here. Jesus, I cannot stand these for long, y'all. It's hot outside, but then it's hot in the cars too. I'm back home and I'm finna eat real quick. I'm tired. That heat got me tired now. So I might take a nap before work. It's 11:13 right now. 24 hours is almost up. I think I'm gonna stop it at like 12:30ish, 12:45, because that's what time we started yesterday. We actually started at 12:07 yesterday, but that's okay. But yeah, I think I'm gonna take a nap before work, and that's gonna be the end of this vlog. So it is currently 1:45, and I'm about to be on my way to campus at work because I got a message from my supervisor that we weren't supposed to log in from home today because of some tech issue. We just had tech issues yesterday. We're doing this again. So I'm about to be on my way up there. I figured I'll just drag it out a little bit because I slept for most of 12 o'clock. So I was not finna film me sleeping. But I figured I'll just come and update y'all on what's going on and what happened. But for now, I'm just about to go to work and finish working there. So yeah, I don't know if I'm bringing my camera. I might just wait till I get back home and talk to y'all. I don't know, because I don't really have nothing planned after work. So yeah, I'm gonna leave my camera here. But I just had to update y'all. It's gonna be 2 o'clock. So yeah, and I just logged out, so I gotta get up there. I'm finna put another shirt on and deuce out. I'm back home. What time is it? It's like 7:30. I got off early because my head was hurting and it's still hurting. So I'm finna take 2 Tylenols, finish this video, and call it a day. Really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.